Today's kitchen essential, the microwave oven, was actually invented by accident. It was 1945. An engineer named Percy Spencer was working on radar technology. He noticed something strange. A chocolate bar in his pocket had melted, but the chocolate wasn't the problem. Radar waves nearby had heated it up. Curious, he tried placing popcorn kernels near the machine. Guess what happened? Pop! Next, he tested it with an egg, and it exploded. That accidental discovery led to the first microwave ovens we use at home today. So yeah, a guy with melted chocolate in his pocket changed the world. If you like this fact, don't forget to like and subscribe.